What's up guys? I'm going to show you how to play Let It Be the easiest, shortest, fastest, best way possible for someone who just want to skip all the fluff, get it done. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's only 3 different sections. Here is the rhythm before we get in. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. For bonus points, you can emphasize that 3rd down strum. 1, 2, 3, right? Let's go and get into it. Here is your intro and your verse. And yes, by the way, it's going to sound a little different than you're hearing on the record because I'm skipping and peeling out some of the complicated stuff just for you. That's the point of this video. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what you have there is you've got simply 8 chords total. That is your intro and your verse, okay? Here it is. It's a C, G, A minor, F, and then C, G, and then F, then C. Exactly, so from those last 2 chords, F to C, there's usually a little bit of some tomfoolery in there. Get rid of that. That is your intro and your verse. You're welcome. Let's go into the chorus. Here's the chorus. Okay, so very similar. We're going to kick it off with an A minor, C, to F, to C, C, G, F, C. And there will be a chorus or 2 in there. I think the second one and the last one, you're going to double that up. So just be listening for that. Use your ear. I'm not going to go through each one because the point is to keep it short, sweet, simple. Ready for your final part? It's the bridge and the outro when you hear that last little bit. This is where I really trimmed a lot of fat out, so it is going to sound a little different to your ear, I know, if you're hearing the track, but it'll sound great against the track, and it's going to be way, way simpler, 10 times easier. Here's the bridge and the final part of the song. Okay, that's it. So it's going to be F, C, G, F, C. So that G and that F are kind of sharing the measure, right? So making sure that you're doing 1 down strum to keep it simple, and then back home to the C, your tonic. And that's it, you guys. That right there is a simple, quick, easy way to play it. If you guys want a PDF guide that I've custom made for you just for this exact video, it's on my Patreon. Become a Patreon member, at least $5 or more. Helps me a lot and will help you a lot to play songs faster, have more fun quicker, saving you time. For $5 and saving you all that time, how much is your time actually worth, right? So just do it. Trust me, I've got a lot of good content in there. It's a treasure trove of me putting together custom tabs that I don't put out anywhere else in the entire world. That's the only spot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.